Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to use Coinbase wallet to buy crypto. In order to get this done, all you need to do is simply open up your Coinbase wallet, and once you've opened up the Coinbase wallet, make sure you take note of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. In this case, it's the BNB. Once you've selected BNB as a token you wish to buy, click on the buy option. That's this buy icon here. Click on buy, and you'd be asked to enter an amount of crypto you wish to buy. Now, the network is set to Bitcoin. Click on the network and select the BNB Smart Chain. And then we're going to be buying BNB, and we're paying with our credit card via the Alchemy Pay. So enter the amount of USD you wish to buy. So let's say we want to buy $10 worth of BNB. Click on continue to payment, and you're going to be redirected to Alchemy Pay. It's a third-party payment provider. Click on continue to proceed. You're now leaving Coinbase wallet. So click on continue. You're taken to ramp.alchemypay.org, and this is where you could easily make use of your Visa or MasterCard. As you can see, they are partnered with Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfer, and the rest. And now take note, you're paying 10 USD. And once you've taken note of the cryptocurrency you wish to buy, click on proceed to buy BNB. Enter your email address. Once you've entered your email address, click on proceed. And then a verification code would be sent, which you're going to be using to purchase the token. And once you've entered the verification code, simply select the payment option that's best for you. In this case, I will be going with the MasterCard, Visa card, and then simply enter your payment information and click on confirm. So guys, by doing this, you're going to be using your MasterCard or Visa card to perform the transaction. And once you've paid, you'd be asked to enter your code. That's your payment code, and the payment will be completed. And by doing this, you'd have the BNB on your wallet. That's the native BNB will be on your wallet. Another option of getting yourself some BNB tokens is to click on the swap icon. Now, once you selected swap, click on swap now. So guys, to be able to swap directly on the BNB Smart Chain into the BNB token is make sure you have some BNB Smart Chain tokens to be able to swap, and some little amount of BNB to cover the gas fees. Let's say you've got $100 worth of XRP and you wish to swap that into $100 worth of BNB. You could do this, which would enable you to get some BNB on your wallet. So click on confirm or accept, and the transaction will be performed. So guys, that's how you can buy crypto with the Coinbase wallet. So simply comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer.